Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung Refrigerator Ice Maker Assembly DA97-15217D. The Samsung Refrigerator Ice Maker Assembly DA97-15217D is a replacement part for Samsung refrigerators. It is an ice maker assembly that includes the ice maker, the water valve, and the mounting hardware. The ice maker produces up to 3 pounds of ice per day and has an adjustable thermostat to control the temperature of the ice. The water valve controls the flow of water into the ice maker and is adjustable to regulate the amount of water used for each cycle. The mounting hardware allows for easy installation and includes a power cord, mounting bracket, and this part fixes the following symptoms. The Samsung Refrigerator Ice Maker Assembly DA97-15217D is designed to replace a faulty or broken ice maker assembly in your refrigerator. It can help fix issues such as ice maker not producing, ice maker not dispensing ice maker leaking water, ice cubes are too small or hollow ice cubes are clumping together. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the ice bin from the freezer compartment and set aside. 3. Remove the screws that secure the ice maker assembly to the freezer wall. 4. Carefully pull out the old ice maker assembly and disconnect any wiring harnesses or water lines connected to it. 5. Place the new ice maker assembly in position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 6. Reconnect any wiring harnesses or water lines to the new ice maker assembly if applicable. 7. Plug in your refrigerator and turn it on to test. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.